So there's a thread on Arborist site where a guy from Australia popped up and talked about using a method called a long hinge, where he makes a really tall, really open gap face, like maybe a whole foot tall, and it's going to take a while to, gonna take more messing around time to cut that. But you cut that big tall gap face, and then you put your back cut right in the middle of it. So this stem here wants to go straight to our right out in the field. I'm gonna see if I can smash my phone with it. You can tell how much faith I have in it swinging. Boy, howdy, I tell you what. That'll make you just want to back bar everything. So, the phone didn't get smashed, so it didn't work. Although, I don't know. I guess I should say it didn't work really, really well. The sun's probably shining into the camera, but the tree wanted to come straight out here. And we got it over there a few feet. And go look at. So basically, Excuse me. I maybe could have gone deeper with the hinge, which would have made it wider, but it's just a block base. Square it out, take it out here, and then you come in halfway up and down. What it kind of did, I don't know, it almost did like a little tidy, maybe baby barber chair type of deal here. And it, you know, it wanted to come out here and it went over there. So kind of sort of a little bit. I think that is as much as you can expect to get from me.